Spring cleaning made easy. How yard sales can help you declutter. Spring's right around the corner, and while you might not have gotten the chance to hibernate, it certainly looks like the clutter in your home did. We've been there. Spring cleaning is a seasonal passion that gets into all of us at one point or another. But the problem always comes up. Where does the clutter go? Boy, do we have the solution for you. And it comes in the shape of none other than the all-powerful yard sale. To us, it seems like a no-brainer, but if you need a little push towards seeing how the yard sale is the perfect tool for spring cleaning, stick around. Why regular spring cleaning doesn't work. Don't get us wrong, clean your stuff regularly. We're talking specifically about decluttering. Whether it's picking up a messy room or taking care of the clutter around the house, we know the cycle all too well. Pick up the mess, marvel at the great work you did, and repeat a week later. If this sounds familiar to you, the problem might be less about needing regular tidying up and more about having too much stuff. We're not trying to accuse anyone of hoarding, but probably all of us have a few or a lot of items we're holding on to that are really just taking up space. Maybe they hold sentimental value, or maybe they cost you a lot of money once upon a time. But one way or another, they're just kind of sitting around and making their way into the mess every once in a while. The reason spring cleaning doesn't work for so many people is because the problem isn't that your house is dirty per se. The problem is that you have too much stuff. Yard sales are a great solution to this problem. The best way to get rid of clutter that keeps on coming back is by letting go of it altogether. An added bonus? You get to spend some time with your community, and you get to make a pretty penny in the process. Yard sales aren't exactly where you're going to get thousands of dollars for an antique dresser, but some cash in exchange for a decluttered home sounds like a great trade-off to us. Hosting a successful yard sale. Now, not all yard sales are planned equally. In fact, if you don't put a bit of effort and elbow grease into preparing for a great yard sale, you might end up having to bring clutter back inside at the end of the day. Take some time and do your homework before you put up the yard sale sign. It's important to know what you can and can't sell at your yard sale, what days are good for hosting your sale, how to properly display your items to attract a crowd, and perhaps most importantly, how to properly advertise your yard sale and make sure people show up at all. Every one of these points is crucial in making sure your big sale is not only a great time, but also worth your time. Hosting a great yard sale isn't difficult, but there are important steps that are easy to miss if you aren't careful. That being said, if you cross your T's and dot your I's, the yard sale can be your best bet against a cluttered home. So whether you're decluttering your own home or helping somebody else declutter theirs, we say, long live the yard sale.